In this lecture, we are going to talk about data hiding in Python.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Actually, data hiding means when we have got an attribute, one or more than one attributes in our class, and we just want to hide them from outside the class. What we want is that attribute should be accessed only within the class and not outside the class. This is called data hiding. I will show you the syntax of declaring. This is called private attributes. So I will show you the syntax of declaring a private attribute. Okay, the syntax goes like this. Suppose I want to take an attribute with the name, suppose tax. So I would write __ tax is equal to something or whatever. So this will become your private attribute of the class. Data hiding will take place as far as __ tax attribute is concerned. This property is concerned. It cannot be accessed outside the class. Okay, let's make a class. Suppose class products. Okay, then let me have some item code is equal to 0 something, tax is equal to 0.0, but instead of declaring it as tax, I would write __ tax. So with this, it will become private property or attribute. Private to what? Private to the class. To the class that we have products. So now it can be accessed only within the class products and not outside it. So let's prove it. First, let me take the constructor def __ init __ self. Okay, so here I am going to have formal parameters. Suppose item _code1 comma __ tax 1. Then I will assign the values to the properties. Item _code is equal to, rather it will be self dot item _ code is equal to item _ code1. okay, then self dot __ text is equal to __ text 1. right, now let me take a simple function called show. Here I will be displaying the values like print and item code is equal to plus str self dot item _ code. Similarly, I would write print tax is equal to str self dot __ tax. As you know, these are numeric variables, integer and float variables. That is why I have used str, so that they can be concatenated with the strings. Okay, so far so good. Now I will go to the driver of the program, that is main location of the program, from where we would be invoking these methods and we would be creating objects, one or more objects of the products class. So I happen to write pobj is equal to products. I will be passing some values, suppose 9009 for item code, and let the text be 190 point something 75. Okay, so as you know, what will happen is an object of the products class would be created, but first the constructor would be triggered, and this is our constructor. As you know, 9009 value will go into item underscore code 1, and 190.75 value will go into underscore tax 1 formal parameter. And subsequently, as you know, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to assign the values of these formal parameters into respective instance variables, or which we call properties or attributes. Okay, now here what I am going to do is print item code is equal to plus str pobj dot item code, then print tax is equal to plus str pobj dot underscore tax. Okay, so we have created an object, constructor would be executed. Then what I am trying to do is I am trying to print in the driver, I am trying to print item code. There won't be any problem, right? Because item underscore code is not the private attribute of the class, but text is the private attribute of the class because it is being preceded with double underscore. So when I would try to print this pobj dot double underscore text, it will result into error. Okay, so let's try to execute the program. Control Shift F10. Okay, so def show, there is some indentation problem, no issues. Control Shift F10. Now you can see the error message, products obj object, products obj has no attribute underscore text. You would say that yes, there is an attribute underscore text, but it will give error. Why? Because it cannot be accessed here. So you can see the line, the error is coming on this line str pobj underscore text in the driver. Why? Because underscore text cannot be accessed because it is private to the class. So in order to print its value or values of both, there wasn't any problem while printing item code because it was not private to the class. This is called data hiding. So what I would do is pobj dot, I would call show method, and the control will go into the member function of the show, member function of the class products, which is show. And here there is no problem printing double underscore text because we are within the class. Control Shift F10. Yeah, the program has been executed successfully. We were able to print the value of double underscore text only within the class because it was private to the class. So always remember, whenever you want to go for data hiding, that means you want to hide some one or more attributes from outside the